Hi, welcome to the second episode of Luisa Bakes. Today we are baking my grandmother's vanilla crescent cookies, or as we call it in Germany, Vanillekipferl. And trust me, those are the best vanilla crescent cookies you'll ever taste. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need are 1½ cup of flour, 1 stick of softened butter, ½ cup of almond meal, 1/3 cup of sugar, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will get about 20 cookies out of this. The first step is to put the butter, sugar, and vanilla extract in a bowl and mix it up. Then we add the dry ingredients, flour, and almond meal. We're gonna mix it up until all is well combined. Now you're gonna use your hands to make a dough. When the dough is ready, you have to let it rest in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. So the next step is to take half of it and make a small roll. Then we're gonna cut the dough in evenly sized pieces. Now we start shaping it. My grandmother used to make those cookies every year, and they are my favorite holiday cookies. Remember to leave some space between the cookies, since they will grow a little bit while baking. Now we are gonna put them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. While the cookies are baking, let's prepare the sugar mixture. For this we need ½ cup of white sugar, ½ cup of powdered sugar, and ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you're gonna mix it all up. Okay, when the cookies are ready, we're gonna let them cool down for 1 minute. The last step is to pour the cookies into the sugar mix. To make sure the sugar sticks on the cookies, do this while they're still warm. Now our vanilla crescents are ready, or as we call them in German, Vanillekipferl. If you would like to try them, all you have to do is comment down below. I will be giving those cookies to the first 3 comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of Luisa Bakes. I see you next week, and remember, baking is happiness.